So in this video, we're going to talk about Block, aka Square, and Oppenheimer is back at it once again, and they see another 32% upside from current levels for Block. That would mean a $115 price target. I like the target as that is just below some monthly sell levels. All right, stay tuned to the end. We're going to look at the price action on the daily chart, but I want to get into the news. This article is coming from investing.com. So again, Oppenheimer analysts hiked their block stock rating to outperform from perform and set a new price target of $115. Again, that's 32% from current levels. Now, the upgrade decision is rooted in several key factors, including expected accelerated growth in Square's gross payment volume, Block's ability to meet its financial efficiency targets ahead of schedule, and the potential gross profit from its Bitcoin mining strategy. Yes, Block also owns Bitcoin on its books, just like MicroSaylor's MicroStrategy. For 2025, the firm forecasts a GPV increase to 12%, surpassing both the 2024 estimates of approximately 9% and the consensus estimate of 10%. Block is also anticipated to achieve its Rule of 40 targeted by next year, 1 year earlier than planned. This financial benchmark combines gross profit growth and adjusted operating income margin, with Oppenheimer expecting a significant margin expansion of 500 to more than basis points next year. They say, given the estimates 16% gross profit growth from both Square and Cash App, and assuming a 24% adjusted operating income margin, they forecast Block will achieve its Rule of 40 target in 2025, 1 year again ahead of schedule. Now, over the next 2 years, Oppenheimer expects Block's Cash App to continue experiencing mid-teen gross profit growth. Now, one thing to note, like PayPal, Block correlates and trades with Bitcoin. And so that alone, you should see prices move higher. Now, let's scroll out to the monthly chart first. I want to let you know where price came. And these were some buy signals and levels of interest, roughly at $40, roughly at $34. And back in November of 2023, price hit these levels. That was a great buying opportunity before prices resumed higher. Again, the other level of interest was the pandemic lows. As you can see, that was a buying opportunity back in March of 2020. The sideways price action, you expect a lot of chop. Now we have price finally breaking out. And it broke out as a result of closing and breaching this weekly sell level at $79. That was formed from this drop in price, one basing candle, and then the drop out. Price tried to come back, could not dip its toes in the lower portion of the zone before collapsing all the way down to 55, where buy stepped in again, and then the momentum pushed price higher, closing above this weekly sell level. So let's take this off the chart. And additionally, you had a price target of $100. Price fell short within a dollar of that target, so that still remains the target. Now, if I just put a line at this $84 level, you can see how that was support, resistance, resistance, should become support again. I will note I do like this level at $72. That is a weekly buy level, but the fact that this doji candle lows were at the bottom of this zone tells you that probably the better level is going to be near $64. All right, let's zoom down to the daily chart. See if we have any levels of interest. Again, price breaches $84, pulls back before resuming higher. For the week, again, prices are off the highs. This is the only level that's going to protect the price from going lower. It also coincides with the 50-day moving average, so that is good news for the bulls, serves as dynamic support. However, if price gets below that, there's nothing stopping price from moving lower. You have this gap that needs to be filled at some point. But the best levels, if you get a massive correction in the markets, it's going to be to back up a dump truck near the $66 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.